Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this LED magnifier lamp from Livarno, durable and energy saving LED module with cool white light 6500K. Uses up to 89% less energy with adjustable positioning, total power consumption 6.3 watts, high quality glass lens with 2.25 times magnification, swivel lamp head with a spring-loaded 2-hinge metal arm with hinged dust protection cover. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included, of course, we have in the manual. If you want to read this, your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. Wow, that is huge. Very durable metal construction. The lamp design includes a stable base that attaches to the desk or work surface, keeping the lamp sturdy. This allows for hands-free operation so you can focus on your work without constantly adjusting the lamp. The cable length, it is 2 meters, very convenient, I like that. Here we have the on-off switch, the cover. The lamp features a built-in magnifying lens with a high level of magnification 2.25 times more. The magnification makes it easier to see fine details up close, perfect for activities that require precision. And here we have the lock-unlock for the adjustment. Handle, and there is the LED light around. The magnification. The LED lights not only last longer but also emit less heat than traditional lamps, providing a comfortable working environment even during extended use. And we have in the base, loosen the screw. Wow. It is huge, the gap. Definitely you can install it anywhere. Tight, and after that loosen that screw and install the lamp at the base. Tight, and it will be very secure. And you can adjust, of course. I will show you. Now let's install it. You can adjust. Here you can do adjustments. The adjustable arm allowing you to position the magnifying glass and light exactly where you need it. This flexibility is essential for getting the best angle for your specific task. Equip it with energy efficient LEDs. The lamp provides bright, clear illumination. LED lights are long-lasting and consume less energy compared to traditional bulbs, making them eco-friendly and cost-effective. The cool white LED light ensures that the colors you see through the magnifier are true to life, which is particularly important for crafting, painting or other color-sensitive work. This LED magnifier lamp is a highly useful tool for anyone who needs extra illumination and magnification for detailed work. Its bright LED, flexible design and highly quality magnifier lens makes it a great addition to any workspace, ensuring both comfort and precision. Whether you are hobbyist or professional, this lamp offers convenience, clarity and efficiency in a compact package. If the review helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews, gadget tips and DIY projects. Thanks for watching and as always, stay sharp stay focused, and I'll see you in the next video.